In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a template in Asana. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your Asana account and the template file you want to use, such as a CSV. Having it saved and ready on your computer will make the process smooth. Start by heading to Asana and signing in. If you use Google for authentication, choose Continue with Google and select the appropriate account. Once you're in, confirm you're on the correct workspace where you want the project to live. This matters because your new project will inherit the permissions and members of that space. At the top of Asana, look for the Quick Create button, the plus icon, and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Project. On the project creation screen, select Import. This route is designed for bringing in a template file and turning it into a full project, complete with tasks and basic details. Give your project a clear, descriptive name so teammates can recognize it at a glance. This is especially helpful if you plan to reuse the template or iterate on it. Next, review the privacy and workspace settings. You can keep the project private to you while you finalize it, or make it visible to a team if collaboration needs to start right away. Choose the workspace or team where it belongs to keep everything organized. Click Select File to import, then either upload your file from your computer or simply drag and drop it into the upload area. A quick tip, templates that are cleanly formatted import best. If you're using a CSV, make sure your headers are clear and avoid extra blank columns or sample rows you don't need. When prompted, choose Import directly. This tells Asana to bring your template in as tasks and sections without additional mapping steps. Then click Continue to proceed. Asana will process the file and create your project. Depending on the size of the template, this might take a moment. Once the import finishes, you can either make edits right away or jump straight into the project. This is a great time to scan your tasks, adjust assignees or due dates, rename sections, and confirm everything landed where you expect. You can switch between list, board, or timeline views to verify that the structure matches how your team plans to work. If something needs refining, tweak it now so your team starts with a clean setup. And that's it. You've successfully imported a template into Asana and are ready to collaborate.